it's Jasmine, and today I have a 3-in-1 video for you guys for Halloween. You guys requested that you wanted to see some Ghibli film inspired looks. So I have 2 looks from Spirited Away and 1 look from Kiki's delivery service. Obviously Kiki. But I also have No Face and the one that I'm wearing right here, Chihiro. And I think that all of these are so easy. I think out of all of the Halloween videos I uploaded on my channel since 2015, I think that this video is probably the easiest. So I hope you guys all really enjoy and stay tuned. So I'm gonna start off with Chihiro, and I actually am wearing a scrub that I thrifted. I thought that this would kind of be perfect because in a first glance it kind of looks like a robe, although it's just a top. I like the fact that it has like this v-neck detailing right here, so that's the only reason why I'm wearing it. Plus it has really long sleeves like she has as well. This look is going to be a 2-in-1. So this look that I'm going to do today is also going to be Kiki's video as well, because essentially they are the same look. I was comparing the 2 pictures. I have screenshots of them, and both of them, I mean, they don't really wear makeup, they're kids, right? But they both have like the same face. But they just have different hair and outfits. So I'm gonna be doing my makeup just the same. It's just that when I do Kiki's version, I'm just gonna do like the wig and everything itself, just so you can see the difference between them. So in case you have like a day to night type of situation, you could be Chihiro in the day or Kiki at night, vice versa. Whatever it is, the look is pretty simple. Just like all the other Halloween tutorials I uploaded, I'm going to do my Colourpop All-Star Primer and my Bare Minerals Bare Pro Foundation in the shade Warm Natural 12. Again, the reason why I'm just using this is so that I can go through my primers and concealers and foundations, just because I feel like I'm a hoarder and I just want to get through it as quickly as possible, and I feel like Halloween is the perfect time for that. For concealer, I'm going to be mixing the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium, as well as the Urban Decay Naked Skin in the shade Light. I'm trying to use up these concealers, so that's why you've been seeing them so often. I'm just going to try and cancel out my redness and dark circles as much as possible, so I want to look a lot more youthful and awake and almost adventurous. I'm ready for adventure. Both of these girls have really thin eyebrows, so instead of just shaving my eyebrows to be really thin, I'm just going to do a lighter fill in so there's not much attention going to the brows. So I'm going to take the Malibu Glitz eyebrow powder in the shade number 3 that I got off the ShopMissA website. I'm going to take the lighter shade and fill in my brows just my natural shape. I'm also not going to be concealing my eyebrows today because I want it to look as natural as possible, and I think that this is as natural as I could get it. So I'm going to go ahead and move on into my eyes, because the eyes are really simple. I'm going to take a wash of Hoola, and I'm going to just messily apply this onto my eyelid because I want it to look as if it was a natural shadow. I'm also going to take that Hoola shade and put it in the outer corner of my lower lash line. A matte highlight is really going to accentuate this look. So in the Mean Money and Hustla Baby Killawatt highlight, I'm going to take Mean Money and apply this all over the high points of my face. So I'm going to do the inner corner, my nose, my eyebrows, and then my cheek after I've done bronzer. There will be no fake lashes today, so I'm going to use my favorite Essence Lash Princess mascara to generously coat my lashes. Look at how good my lashes look even without an eyelash curler. We're gonna do an all-over bronze with the Hoola by Benefit, and again, this isn't just to give my face contour, it's supposed to just bring out more liveliness to my face because I feel like my foundation is just a little too light, so I just need to hide that. I'm also going to bring this bronzer to the apples of my cheek as well as my nose. Both these girls have hot pink blush. So I'm going to go into my ShopMissA Lumi blush in the shade Ravish. I'm going to apply this onto the apples of my cheeks, and I'm going to try and concentrate it there as much as possible because I want this look to kind of be wearable and kind of be natural, but also you still get the essence that I'm still young and I'm blushing. I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Celebrity Skin, but I'm going to apply this on my finger so that the color looks a little bit more muted and it looks a little bit more natural and as if it was my natural lip color. And just on the edges, I'm going to go ahead and take my blender and run this across the edges of my lips. Alright, so I have Kiki's little outfit. She does have a dark blue top, but I didn't have a dark blue top, so black will suffice. Way back in high school, I used to make bows and sell them. So this is actually the only red bow that's salvaged, and it has studs on it. But pretend it's not there. You get the essence, you know what I mean? So this is Kiki from Kiki's delivery service. But I mean, as you could see, the look itself, you get that I'm Kiki. It's just, the difference is the cosplay outfit, and I feel like that follows suit with all of the Ghibli film movies. Whenever there's a little girl, all of the girls have the same face. It's just the matter of costume. Okay, you guys, this is my third and final look. This is No Face from Spirited Away. I hope you guys all really enjoyed. This look is so simple to do. Anybody can do it, even if you're a beginner. So hope you guys all enjoy, and let's get started. Floating head Jasmine is back in action, guys. So as most of you guys know, if you guys do watch Spirited Away, No Face is pretty much all black and the main focus is his face. Today's tutorial is going to be just a little bit different because it's not really like a tutorial. It's kind of how you would interpret how you would do it. It's almost going to be editorial today. I really don't know. I have a vision on what I want to do, but I don't know if it's going to be executed the way I wanted it to be. So we're just going to start with primer. I have my Colourpop All-Star Primer. I'm going to smooth this all over the skin, and I just want my face to be really, really smooth for this look. For this look, I want it to be kind of wearable. I don't want to go exactly as No Face. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go into a concealer and put this all over my face as if it was a foundation. This one is my Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Coverage Concealer in the shade Light. I'm just going to go ahead and put this all over my skin, and I'm going to build it up to a full coverage. By the way, if you're wondering why I'm not covering my ears, I'm planning for my hair to cover my ears because he's a spirit, so I don't think he has ears. So I'm gonna cover it. So I'm just not gonna put concealer on the ears. Plus I hate liquids on my ears, makeup on my ears. Oh, I hate the feeling. I'm going to set this all in with the Catrice Prime and Fine Mattifying Powder, and this one's in transparent or translucent. I don't know, it says both. But I'm just going to go ahead and set this in so that I have a nice and soft base. For all of my detailing, like filling in the eyebrows and drawing in all the lines on my face, I'm using the Marc Jacobs Mist Me Pencil Eyeliner, and I am okay with using this to draw on everything even though it is expensive. I don't use it often, so it's good to use it up before it expires anyway. I'm just gonna go ahead, start with my eyebrows, and continue to draw the iconic lines. I'm pretty much just following the pictures as reference for the lines, and then I will start working on the eyes after I do that. And also, while I am drawing on these lines, I might as well just talk about, since I am doing this makeup look and as it's taking a lot of time, I am watching a movie. I'm watching Halloween Town, and if you're a broke college student, there is an app called Disney Now, and it has all the Halloween Town movies. So just hooking it up for you guys because it's free and I think it's worth it. There are ads though, so I mean, whatever. It's better. It's better that way than, you know, watching it on YouTube and then having to watch it in separate parts. So definitely give that a check. With my Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Aisha, I'm going to go over the places where I put the eyeliner just to make sure that it is one solid color and to make it look a little bit more vibrant as well. While the liquid lipstick starts to dry, I'm going to start into my eyes. Now I'm going to take the Colourpop She palette, and there are a few purple shades in here. So in the third column, I'm going to be working with that color scheme. So I'm going to start off with the matte shade, popping that all over my eyelid as a base. With this purple shimmer shade, I'm going to use that on the same flat brush, and I'm going to apply this into the center of my eyelid in a halo shape, just because I want the lines to kind of be parallel to each other. Now I'm going to be tapping the lightest purple shade on top of that purple shimmer, and this is going to add a lot more attention to my eyes. To finish off the eye makeup, I am applying my Essence Lash Princess as well as that same Marc Jacobs eyeliner into my waterline, and I just want the focus to pretty much be the drawings on my face as opposed to the eye makeup. The eye makeup is pretty much an accent to the look. With the light pink shimmer shade in the palette, I'm going to go ahead and highlight my nose as well as my inner corners with this, just because I want a little bit more dimension to the look. For lips, I'm going to be filling them in primarily with black lipstick. The only black liquid lipstick I own is actually by Kat Von D. It's her Witches liquid lipstick. I'm going to line my lips with the I Am Amazing eyeliner pencil by Real Her, and then in the center of my lip, I am just going to fill it in with the same purple lipstick that I used for my face. I'm going to take that dark matte purple that I used for my eyes, and I'm just going to go ahead and shade around my triangles and these shapes around my face. I'm going to focus this on to the angle parts of the triangles just so that there is a lighter center, because I want it to look a little bit more three-dimensional. Alright you guys, that wraps up this video. Hope you guys all really enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for all of the love and support for the last few Halloween tutorials that I uploaded. It means the world to me. Thank you guys for tuning in, and if you are a Ghibli film watcher, which one is your favorite? But I hope you guys all enjoyed these looks nonetheless. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Peace out, Girl Scouts.